Leather flower, also known as Clematis viorna, is a beautiful, native perennial vine that produces unique and attractive flowers. Growing and caring for leather flower can be a rewarding experience. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for this lovely plant. 1. Choosing the right location. Leather flower vines prefer a location with full to partial sun. They can tolerate some shade, especially in hot climates. Ensure well-drained soil with good organic content. Clematis viorna prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil. 2. Planting leather flower. Plant leather flower in the spring or fall. Spring planting is often preferred, allowing the plant to establish its roots before the heat of summer. Dig a hole that is about twice the size of the root ball. Place the leather flower plant in the hole at the same depth as it was in its nursery container. Water thoroughly after planting. 3. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, especially during the first growing season. Mature leather flower plants are somewhat drought tolerant, but benefit from regular watering during dry spells. 4. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded bark, around the base of the plant to help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. 5. Fertilizing. Leather flower vines are not heavy feeders. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer can be applied in the spring as new growth emerges. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. 6. Pruning. Leather flower vines generally do not require heavy pruning. Prune lightly in late winter or early spring to remove dead or damaged growth and to shape the plant. Avoid heavy pruning as it may remove flower buds. 7. Trellis or support. Provide a trellis, arbor, or other support structure for the leather flower vine to climb on. They are natural climbers and can reach heights of 6 to 12 feet or more. 8. Pests and diseases. Leather flower is relatively pest-resistant, but it can occasionally suffer from aphids, caterpillars, or scale insects. Monitor for pests and treat as needed. Good air circulation can help prevent fungal diseases. If necessary, use fungicides to control issues like powdery mildew. 9. Winter care. In colder climates, provide winter protection by applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to help insulate the roots. Prune back the vine to about 12 inches above the ground after the first hard frost. 10. Propagation. Leather flower can be propagated by taking softwood or semi-hardwood cuttings in late spring or early summer. You can also propagate it from seed. With proper care, leather flower can thrive in your garden, producing its unique bell-shaped flowers that are sure to attract pollinators and add beauty to your landscape.